Okay, most people are going to look at this house and say, complete tear down, push it over, let's build a new home. But that's not what I see. And I want you to see with me, I want you to see the potential. Let's imagine this home totally remodeled because there's a good footprint. Now, I went over there on June the 9th because it had been raining. There was a good rainstorm, lots of rain had hit this roof, and this roof looks really good. The roof is not that old, I want to say it's 3 or 4 years old roof. So all of the interior water damage was before the new roof was added. So you can see here, as I went through this home, on June the 9th, right after a rainstorm, it was dry on the inside. Now, what I want you to see here is the potential. So here we walk into the kitchen. I want you to imagine a new kitchen here. Wouldn't that look beautiful? That's what we have here. We have a home that's got a great footprint, got a great layout, it's got a good roof. So now we can just build on that potential. Imagine that laundry room that you enter from the back of the home. Imagine it redesigned. Imagine a new floor. Imagine new sheetrock. Imagine new baseboards. Imagine it the way you can. All right, we got a great space here from the kitchen. You can get to the dining room in your left, to the second bedroom. If you go through the right door, you got a primary bedroom down the hall to the right. If you walk through this door, you're going into the dining room. I want to take you on through the house and show you the living room. This living room has our word. It's got potential. It's got lots of great elements. If you're looking through here into that dining room, that from the dining room into the living room, imagine 3 new windows. Imagine a new ceiling fan. Imagine that fireplace remodeled, made beautiful, made for you to live in it. Could you see yourself turning that home into that? Wouldn't it be great? This is what you have here. You have a house that has good bones. We just need to remodel it and make it great. Look at the fireplace. Look at this new imagined fireplace. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Now, if you leave the living room to the right, it's back into the dining room. To the left door there takes you into the second bedroom, not the primary, but the second bedroom. Um, let's go. Now, there are some soft spots in this home. Now, I've stood all through this home. I've stood right there where I put the camera, and I'm 300 pounds, but I want you to be careful as you're walking through this home. But there's what the second bedroom could be. Again, I hate to use that P word again, but that's what it is. We have a home with lots and lots of remodeling potential. This space here is a place where you can go to the primary, the bathroom, the secondary bedroom, or back into the kitchen. And it's just a well laid out home. Look at that bathroom. Imagine a new bathroom in this home that's ready for you. Imagine living in this new home. Get a little glimpse of me there in the mirror. Of course, the bathroom needs to be pulled out. You need a new toilet, need a new tub, need a new vanity, but you could do that. Here would be the primary bedroom. Look at that. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Reimagined, ready to go. Now, you couldn't see it through those windows, but if that AI image was better, you'd see that beautiful little rock wall outside. And I'll tell you what, the outside of this house it's such a beautiful place. It feels like grandma's. I want you to go to 360 Hickory, look up 3370 Rocky Road, and look at the 360 video so you can see all around this home. Now, in that 360 video, if you open it in YouTube, you can look up, look down, look all around. You can see every square inch of this home from that 360 video. So don't forget to visit 360 Hickory. You say, Josh, is this home in Hickory? It's in Lenore, just outside of Hickory. But that beautiful rock wall is there. I don't know if you noticed the heart. But now, of course, we need new siding. We need new soffits. We need new gutters. But with all of that repaired, all that replaced, you could have this home. Wouldn't that be beautiful to come home to? Now, you can't, the AI image didn't put the rock wall back there to the left, but that's what would be there. You'd have this beautiful space, and it would be ready for you. Call me, text me, 828-238-2682, or talktojosh.net. Let's get you into this home.